Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're building an AI-powered resume matcher using Python and Google's Gemini API. This tool will analyze your resume against a job description and provide detailed insights into your compatibility. By the end of this video, you'll have a working resume analysis tool with an intuitive user interface, real-time scoring, and valuable improvement suggestions. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the code in the description. Let's take a quick look at how the application works. First, the user lands on the home page, where they can paste a job description in the input box. Next, they upload their resume in PDF format. Once the resume is uploaded, the Analyze Resume button becomes enabled. On clicking this button, the AI begins processing. This might take a few moments as the system extracts text, compares keywords, and evaluates the resume against the job requirements. After the analysis is complete, the results are displayed, including resume score, matching skills, unmatched skills, improvements and suggestions. Now that you've seen what we're building, let's dive into the code. Step 1. Installing required libraries. To begin, we need to install the necessary Python libraries that will help us build the project. These include libraries for PDF processing, AI integration, UI development, and data visualization. Once installed, send resume data to Google's Gemini API for analysis. Build an interactive UI using Streamlit. Display results and insights using data visualization. Step 2. Importing required libraries. After installation, we import all the necessary modules. These include PyMupDF for handling PDF documents, Pillow for image processing, Google Generative AI to interact with the Gemini API, Streamlit for creating a user-friendly interface, Pandas and Plotly for managing and visualizing data. This step ensures that our project has access to all the required tools to function properly. Step 3. Converting PDF to image. Since the Gemini API supports image-based analysis, we need to convert the uploaded resume, PDF, into images before sending it for AI processing. The function in this step will open the uploaded PDF file, convert each page of the resume into an image format, save the images and return their file paths for further processing. Step 4. Processing resume with AI. Once we have the resume in image format, we send it to Google's Gemini API for analysis. In this step, the function will load the API key to authenticate the request, read the resume image file, and send it to the AI model. Use a predefined prompt to extract useful insights. Return the AI-generated analysis, which includes the resume score, matching skills, missing skills, and suggestions. This is the core processing step, where the AI evaluates the resume against the provided job description. Step 5. Building the user interface. The interface will include a text area where users can paste the job description, a file uploader to allow users to upload their resume in PDF format, a button that triggers the resume analysis process, a loading indicator to inform users while the AI processes the resume, a display section where the AI-generated results will be shown. This step ensures that users can easily interact with our application without needing any technical knowledge. Step 6. Displaying the analytics. In this step, we will extract the resume score and display it as a metric, show the matching and missing skills in a structured format, provide improvement suggestions to help users optimize their resumes, use interactive charts, Plotly, to visualize skill gaps and strengths. And that's it. We've successfully built an AI-powered resume matcher using Python, Google's Gemini API, and Streamlit. The full version of the code is available in the description on my GitHub. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.